How to cook stir-fried chicken fillet with cashew and veggies. In a bowl, put 500 grams of cubed chicken fillet, and then we add 5 tablespoons of soy sauce. Next, we add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. And then we mix it well. And then we set it aside. In another bowl, we put 2 cups of water, add 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And then 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. We mix it well again. And then we set it aside. In a pan, we saute minced garlic and ginger. And then we add in the chicken pieces. We cook the meat for some minutes. Until they are all golden brown. And then we pour the sugar oyster sauce mixture. Then we add the snow peas and around 1 cup of green peas. And 1 cup of roasted cashew nuts. We give it a little mix. And then we cover and cook for a few more minutes. After that, we add some cracked pepper. And upon serving, we drizzle with some sesame oil. And you're done. Thank you for watching.